Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out to you Rpgshow for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Honey, y'all been coming through with the come through, honey. Okay, y'all never disappoint. So once again, shout out to you, boo. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their, the name of this wig is their Modern Beauty 001. The order number is CL198. The texture is silky. It's not really giving silky to me. It's giving that same sort of silky, yucky sort of feel, like that good in between. It's not super silky. Like, it's as silky as it looks. Okay, like however it's coming off on camera is basically like how it's coming off like when I look at myself in the mirror. So honey, do with that what you want to do with that, but it's not giving silky to me. The length is 12 inches. The hair color is the hair color that's in the picture. The cap size is size 1, which is 21.5 to 22. I am an average cap size, so that's the cap size that I have. The cap construction is the glueless lace front, which is cap B. Standard density, and it has tinted transparent Swiss lace in the light brown color. Now, I have had instances with the light brown where I felt like maybe the light brown didn't blend well, but honestly, y'all, unless I am seeing something differently, I feel like this one really blended in nicely. I think it looks really natural, but sometimes that can be an issue for me, even though it's transparent lace, and if it has that light brown color, sometimes it can be an issue. But with this particular wig, she did none of the things. As far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any. You may see a strand of hair here and there, here or there, but that was literally from me cutting the hair like around here. Prior to me doing that little part, I did not receive any shedding and tangling with this wig. So I want to throw that out there as well. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is average size friendly. I do feel like you may get away with a smaller, if you are a smaller cap size, I think you could still get away with this unit. But as far as being extremely big head friendly, I do not think so. So I would suggest you really, to be on the safe side, get whatever size you wear, girl. Okay, don't come for me later saying I didn't tell you because I told you, girl. Okay, just get whatever size you are comfortable wearing. Okay. Now, as far as bleaching the knots, as far as tweezing it, I did not do any other things. Oh, girl woke up like this. She woke up like this. I did not touch this unit whatsoever, which seems to be pretty standard with units from Rpgshow. And I could have probably worn this unit glueless other than the sides. Like, everything else really fit really nicely for me. So I feel like if you know how to make your sides lay down, or maybe if your yells ain't as big as my yells, you can make it work. But I do feel like you could definitely wear this wig glueless. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so you know I like to start on the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit would be the standard, just like this little part. Like, as far as parting and stuff goes, you can kind of part on the sides, but it'll stop right here. The most amount of parting space you have is right in this general area. Even though, like I said, you can part on the sides, it's not a whole lot of space. So that would be my con. It is pretty much a standard con with these units. Like, it's the only con that I can think of. It's not a huge deal for me, but it may be a huge deal for you, so I always like to throw it out there so you guys know. Now, as far as my brows, honey, okay, first of all, the color is life, okay? The length is life, honey, okay? The lace, honey, is life. The fact that it came pre-tweezed and pre-bleached, honey, is life, honey, okay? The fact that this unit is definitely beginner friendly is everything, okay? So those are all my pros with this wig. Would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would recommend this wig for both an everyday wig, and I think if you curl it up and spice it up a little more, it can even be a going out wig. I feel like it is multifunctional, and it's a vibe, and it's also very, very beginner friendly and lazy girl friendly, because you know your girl lazy. Okay, you know your girl lazy. So I think it is really good for all of the above, and it's also great mom hair, okay? I can go to Juicy school with this hair, okay, and him not being his feelings, okay? Yes, I said him, honey. Judge your mama, okay? But yeah, I feel like, yeah, this wig is something that I would definitely recommend because I feel like it is great for most, if not all, occasions. All right, honey, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is basically it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you've ever gotten a unit from this company and what you guys think about their units, because honey, so far they have been coming through with the come through for your girl, okay? So I like to hear what you guys think about it and what you think about the wigs. If you love them as much as I do, comment down below. Also, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.